be better if I could go to the pool. I was too tired. It takes a lot of energy for me to do that, and it's not so much the pool, Greg. It's the getting ready, you know, the dressing, undressing, and all that. You know, and I gotta make sure I got my towels with me and my key and.
It's the adulting thing.
The adulting thing.
And
Being
it
adult.
sucks, don't it?
Yeah, that's what it is.
It's that adulting thing that
Mhm.
really sucks.
Yeah.
You don't have your husband here to take care of you.
You know what? I was pretty excited Sunday, Greg, when Evelyn was at church and Rich Perkins.
See,
You know?
Evelyn and Rich.
Because neither one of them would have been there had it not been for you and me.
Well, Evelyn might have been.
Evelyn wouldn't have.
No?
No.
Sandy didn't
She
invite
probably no. I invited her. Sandy just started coming. I just introduced her